Hello viewers, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. In this video, we are going to see how to make Crispy Ragda Patties recipe. Craving something spicy and satisfying? Try this Mumbai style Ragda Patties recipe, a perfect evening snack that brings the authentic taste of Indian street food to your kitchen. Made with crispy potato patties topped with favorable white pea curry, tangy chutneys and crunchy save. This chat recipe is a must try for every food lovers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making ragda: oil, cumin seed, peppercorn, ginger, garlic, green chilli, onion, tomato, salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, ing, peas, boiled potato and water. Ingredients for making aloo tikki: potato, ginger garlic paste, salt, cumin powder, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, onion, coriander leaves, white peas, breadcrumbs, corn flour and oil. Ingredients for making Ragda Patties chat: prepared masala, aloo tikki, tamarind chutney, green chutney, onion, coriander leaves and save. Take a pressure cooker and add 1 cup of peas. Then add 1 number of chopped boiled potato. Then add water as per your need and pressure cook it for about 2 whistles. Once the cooker get cooled down, then we need to open the cooker and mash the peas and potatoes slightly and keep it aside. Take a kadai and add oil as per your need and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and add half teaspoon of peppercorn. Add 1 inch ginger and add 5 cloves of garlic and add oil as per your need and add 2 numbers of green chilli. Then add 2 numbers of sliced onion and add 2 numbers of sliced tomato and mix it well. Then add half cup of cashew nuts and mix it well. Then add salt as per your taste and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add half teaspoon of red chilli powder and add half teaspoon of coriander powder. Then add half teaspoon of ing and mix it well. After the mixer cool down, move it to a blender and blend it well to make a masala paste. Take a kadai and add oil as per your need. Add prepared masala of about 1 cup and mix it well. Cover it and simmer for few minutes. Then add the prepared vegetable of about 1 cup and mix it well. Add salt as per your taste and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and add half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Add half teaspoon of coriander powder and add half teaspoon of chaat masala and mix it well. Take a bowl and add 3 numbers of boiled mashed potatoes and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and add salt as per your taste. Then add half teaspoon of cumin powder and add half teaspoon of red chilli powder and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and add finely chopped onion and add handful of finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it well and add overnight soaked 1 cup of white peas and mix it well. Then add 1 cup of breadcrumbs and add half cup of corn flour and add oil as per your need and mix it well to make aloo tikki. Take a pan or kadai, add oil as per your need and heat it, and move the prepared aloo tikki and deep fry it. Once it reaches the golden brown color, flip the aloo tikki and fry the other side also reaches the golden brown color. Then we can off the stove. To a serving plate, add prepared masala of about 1 cup and add 4 numbers of aloo tikki and add 1 teaspoon of tamarind chutney and add 1 teaspoon of green chutney and garnish it with finely chopped onion and garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves and garnish it with save. Crispy Ragda Patties is ready to serve now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.